Page, page number 16. Page number 16. See this one. Page number 16. Got it? Okay. Before showing you the content, I will show you the animated video first. Okay. Just look at the screen.
Capital letter,
Capital
full
letter,
stop,
full stop,
and
and
question
question mark. Capital letter. Look at the screen carefully. Start the sentence with a capital letter. You have to start the sentence with a capital letter. He is playing. This is my car. Girls have bags. I have a ball. She is writing. Now see full stop. End the sentence with a full stop. I have a pencil. See, this one is the full stop. The dog is on a log. This is a hut. The fish is in the net.
She has
a flower. These are balloons. Now see question mark. Put a question mark at the end of a question. What is your name? Where is the cat? Who is coming? How old are you? Whose toy is this? When will she sing? Understood, everyone? So this one is capital letter, full stop, and question mark. Okay? Just follow your book. Wait, I will tell you. Not now. So here you can see capital letter, full stop, and question mark. So what is capital letter? Capital letter start the sentence with a capital letter. Okay, whenever you start a sentence, you will start with a capital letter. You can see here, he is playing. So this one is capital letter. Okay, he is playing. So whenever you start a sentence, you have to start with the capital letter. Okay, you have to start with the capital letter. So this is the capital letter. And what is full stop? Whenever you end a sentence, you have to give a full stop. Okay. Whenever you complete a sentence, like this one, whenever you end the sentence, you have to end the sentence with Course book volume 2, page number 16. Whenever you end the sentence, you have to make a full stop. You have to end the sentence with a full stop. Like, I have a pencil. So what is the full stop? You have to give a dot. Okay, you have to give a dot. I have a pencil. After writing the whole sentence, you have to give the full stop. Whenever you finish the sentence. Okay. The dog is on a log. You have to give full stop. And what is question mark? Tell me. Whenever you ask a question, after that, what you will do? you will give a question mark. Okay. Whenever you ask a question, you will give a question mark. Now see, wait, I will keep. Okay. See, whenever you ask a question, what you will do? Put a question mark at the end of a question. Like, what is your name? This time you are asking question. So what you will give? You will give a question mark. Where is the cat? You will give after that a question mark. Okay, like this. So this is the difference between capital letter, full stop, and question mark. Like I will ask, who is coming? Who is coming? You will give a question mark. Okay, who is coming? You have to give a question mark. How old are you? After that, you have to give question mark. You are asking a question. That's why you have to give a question mark. Whose toy is this? Okay, you have to give a question mark. When will she sing? You have to give a question mark. Okay. So once again, I will show you. Just wait. So what is the capital letter? Whenever you will start the sentence, you start with capital letter. Okay, you start with capital letter. And when you will end the sentence, then you will give a full stop. Okay.
হ্যালো ম্যাম
Yes.
ম্যাম প্রাপ্তি একটু ওয়াশরুমে গেছে
Okay, okay. Now all of you open practice book. All of you open, children, practice book. This one. Can you see? Practice book. Page number 7. All of you open page number 7. Practice book, volume 2, page number 7. All of you got it? Practice.
ম্যাম আমি আমার প্র্যাকটিস বুকটা আনা হয় না
Then write in your copy.
ওকে ম্যাম
Okay. Now see, rewrite the sentences and questions using capital letter. What you will do? Rewrite the sentences and questions using capital letters. Here you have to start the sentence, rewrite the sentence using capital letters. Whenever you start a sentence, you will first write the capital letter. Like, wait, I will show you. All of you do it, okay? See this one. I will write in capital letter. What is that? What is that? And I'm asking something. What is that? So I will give question mark. Okay. What I will give? I will give question mark. What is that? Okay. I will give question mark. After that, these are pots. You will write in capital letter. These are pots. What you will give? You will give full stop because you have completed the sentence. Okay, here you are not asking question, just you have to complete, you are completing a sentence. He has a pen. Here also you will do the same thing. You start with the capital letter. He has a pen. You are completing a sentence, you will give a full stop. Okay, full stop. He has a pen. Okay, understood everyone? Do it, everyone, do it. Don't talk. Do it, everyone. Yes, Devaditya, have you finished? What? Finish, Devaditya? Very good, very good. Devaditya, so what you have done in the first sentence? What you have done? You have started with the capital letter, right? Yes or no?
What is that?
Then you will put a question mark. Okay.
নিচের বলো নিচের টিটা ক্যাপিটাল বলো
Teacher, teacher, capital. THEACD, beautiful. First,
Then
she
at the end of
has
the sentence, what you will give, Devaditya? At the end of the sentence, you will give a full stop. Okay.
full, full stop. I am a boy. Full stop. You have a car. Full stop. Is he running?
এটা কি বলো কোয়েশ্চেন মার্ক
Question mark.
Very good. Very good.
Uncle, ma'am.
Welcome. Means that you said very nicely. Whenever you will start a sentence, you will start with capital letter. Okay. And when you will complete a sentence, after that you will give full stop. And when you will ask some question, after that you will give a question mark. Okay. Very good. Priyasi, have you completed?
কি বলে
I have completed.
Okay. Very good.
কি বলেছে
Next, I have read.
Yes, read.
ক্যাপিটাল লেটার্স
Capital letter. What is that? What is that?
শুধু অন্যদিকে
These are balls. He is a pen. I am a good boy. You have a toy.
মেরে থাপ্পড় মেরে সিধে করে দেবো এটাকে কি বলে বল
Okay.
হ্যাঁ
Run,
রানিং
running.
Yes. I am a good boy. Yes.
Great.
Okay, Shreya. Just follow me. Just follow me. Very good. Now see this one. Here also it is written in the same way. You have to write in this when you have to start the sentence with the capital letter. I am a good boy. Then what you will finish the sentence with the full stop. Okay, you will after finishing the sentence end the sentence with a full stop. You have a toy. Y-O-U. You have a toy. Finish the sentence with a full stop. Okay. Then is he running? Here someone is questioning. Is he running? This is you are what you have to do. You will start the sentence with the capital letter is. Is he running? Then what you will do? You are asking a question. So you will give a question mark. Okay. Is he running? You will give here a question mark. I am a good boy, full stop. You have a toy, full stop. Is he running? Question mark. Okay. Like this you have to do. Finished all of you? Yes, all of you finished page number 7. Have you finished? Then come to page number 8. Have you all finished page number 7? Then come to page number 8. See page number 8, you can see. What is in page number 8? Rewrite the sentences using a question mark. No, just wait. Here what you can see. Yes, here you can see. Rewrite the sentences using a full stop. All of you do page number 8 also. Page number 8. Yes, Shreya, have you completed page number 8, 7 and 8?
Yes, ma'am. I have completed.
Very good, very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Salkeen,
I have read.
wait, Shreya, wait. Salkeen, have you finished the page number 7 and 8?
8 হয়নি
Okay, do page number 8. Okay, okay, Sachin. Do page number 8 also. Devaditya, do page number 8. Have you finished?
Rewrite double barrel letter sentence, use the full stop.
Have you finished page number 8? Devaditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just follow the screen, everyone. Just follow the screen, everyone. Rewrite the sentences using a full stop. Here you have to rewrite the sentence and then you have to give full stop. Okay. You have to end the sentence with a full stop. She is our teacher. Okay. She is our teacher. She is our teacher. You have to end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. I came by bus. After completing the sentence, you have to give a full stop. They are friends. They, start the sentence with a capital letter. They are friends. Then you have to end the sentence with a full stop. Okay. She is our teacher. Full stop. I came by bus. Full stop. I come by bus. Full stop. They are friends. Full stop. Okay. I come by bus. Full stop. Yes, all of you do page number 8 and then I will see your book. Okay. Now see the next one. Here what you have to do, you have to rewrite the sentences using a full stop. Just you have to rewrite the sentence and at the end of the sentence, give a full stop. Okay. Give a full stop. She is our teacher. See, nothing is mentioned here. She is our teacher, but we have to end the sentence with a full stop. Okay, she is our teacher, full stop. Yes, Prapti? Finished? Finished page number 8? Prapti, you finished page number 7 and 8?
Oh, yes, ma'am, finish.
Okay. Very good. Just see. Wait. Yes, wait, Prapti. Just look at the screen. Wait, Prapti, wait. Now rewrite the sentences using a question mark. Here what you have to do, rewrite the sentence using a question mark. The question mark has not been given. Okay, so you have to put the question mark. Like here what is question is being asked? What is it? What is it? You have to put the sentence is not complete without a mark. Okay, so here you have to put a question mark. What is it? Because you are asking some question. What is it? This is a tub. Okay, the answer is this is a tub. So here someone is asking a question. What is it? Now the second one, suppose someone will ask you, who are you? Who are you? So after completing the sentence, you have to put a question mark because This is a question someone is asking you, who are you? Okay. So now the third one, where is our car? Here is also a question is being asked, where is our car? Then you have to give a question mark. Where is our car? You have to put a question mark. Okay. Understood, everyone? Where is our car? What is it? Question mark. Who are you? Question mark. Where is our car? Question mark. Okay. Prapti? Yes. Now tell me. Only two sentences. One sentence with full stop and one sentence with question mark. Tell me.
বলো।
WHAT. What I is that question.
Question mark.
These are parts. Stop.
Full stop.
Stop.
Stop. CHS has a pen. Full stop.
Okay, Prapti. Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Janatun, tell me one sentence that completes and with a full stop, and then tell me one thing, one sentence that stops.
7 और 8 complete हो गया है.
Very good, Janatun. Janatun, tell me one sentence with a full stop and one sentence with a question mark.
One sentence बोलो.
WHAT. What is the question mark? These are the parts. Full stop.
Full stop. Okay, Janatun. Very good. Okay. Yosi, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yosi, tell me one sentence with full stop and one sentence with question mark.
Okay, ma'am. See your teacher. Full stop. I come by bus. Full stop. There are friends. Full stop.
Now question mark
What
sentence.
is it? Question mark. Who are you? Question mark.
Okay, Shreyosi, very good.
Who are you?
Okay, Shreyosi, very good. Adrita, welcome. Adrita, tell me one sentence
Yes,
with
ma'am.
stop and one sentence with question mark.
He is our teacher. What is
Adrita, tell me where you will stop. You will have to tell me full stop. Okay, like that. Tell me the sentence and then
Okay,
tell me
ma'am.
which is the mark. Okay, what mark is that? Read the sentence first with the full stop that ends with a full
He is our teacher.
Say full stop.
Stop.
Very good.
What is it? Question mark.
Very good. Very good, Adrita. Okay. Anas, have you finished? Adrita, you understood? Question mark, full stop. So children, have you understood everyone?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
you start a sentence, the first letter,
Yes, ma'am. I understood.
we have to start the sentence with the first capital letter. And then when we will end the sentence, we will give a full stop. And when we will ask a question, we will put a question mark. Okay? Okay. Anas, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one sentence that stops. Okay, then give that stops with a full stop, and one sentence when you put a question mark. Tell me.
Ma'am, read for both.
Yes.
She is our teacher. Put a
Now what? Question mark. Now tell me one sentence that ends with a question mark. What is it? Yes. What is it? Very good, Anas. Very good. Okay. Okay, children, I will give you homework in the assignment section. Okay. Capital letter, full stop, and question mark. Today I will give you. You will do it. Okay. Afia, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
I
tell me one sentence that ends with a full stop, and tell me one.
am read, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Read.
I read.
Yes.
Is art.
He is our teacher.
Full stop তো
Full stop.
Please stop.
তারপর বলে কোয়েশ্চেন বলো হোয়াট ইজ দি
What is the question?
Mark.
What is the question? Mark.
Very good, Afia. Okay. Salkeen, have you finished? Okay.
Ma'am.
What is
Tell me one sentence that ends with a full stop and one sentence that ends with a question mark.
CESITC you are our teacher. Full stop. I come by US bus. Full stop.
Now question mark. Sentence of question mark.
WHAT what IT question mark.
What is it?
WHO
No, first say WHO. Who?
who
ARER.
what are you question mark.
Who are you? Question mark.
WHERE where are you are our CAR question mark.
कार बोलते हैं
Okay, Salkeen.
Car
Where is our car? You have to repeat the sentence. Okay. Okay. Very good, Salkeen. Ritisha, have you finished?
What?
yes ma'am.
Well, read.
Read, Ritisha. One sentence with full stop and one sentence with question mark.
Well, see.
She is our teacher. Full stop. I can buy bus. Full stop. They are friends. Full stop.
Tell me question mark sentence. One sentence with question mark.
What is it? Question mark.
Very good. Okay, Ritisha. Very good. Saina.
Thank
have
you.
Finished? Welcome. Yes, Saina, have you finished?
May I complete? May I read, ma'am?
Yes, Saina, read.
This
See,
she is a teacher.
he is our teacher.
She is our teacher.
এখানে কি হবে?
Full stop.
Okay. Now, sir,
Come
question mark sentence.
by
I come by bus.
এখানে কি হবে?
Full stop.
They
They
are
are
friends.
friends. Full stop.
এটা what is
What is
it?
What is the
It. What is it?
What is it?
এখানে কি হবে? Question mark.
Question mark.
Who?
Okay.
Who
Okay,
are you? Who are you? Question mark.
okay, Saina. Very good. Very good.
Where is car?
Okay, Saina. Now I will ask all of you children. Okay, you will reply to me. Just wait. So tell me, children, when we will start a sentence with what we will start? How we will start? With a, tell me, all of you tell me together. Tell me, children.
Capital letter.
Yes. When we will end a sentence, we will end with
Full stop.
full stop. And when we will ask a question,
Question mark.
very good, very good. So now question I will ask you, who are you? What you will put? Which one? Who are you?
Question mark.
Yes. Where is our car?
Who are you?
Okay. Now tell me, if I will ask you the sentence like, I am a good boy. After completing the sentence, what you
I
will
am
say?
a good boy.
Full stop.
Lift हो गया?
You have a toy.
हमने तक के बोलो बोलो
You have a toy. You have a toy. You will end with the sentence.
लिफ्ट
Question mark. Question mark.
No. You have a toy. You will end the sentence with a
Full stop.
Yes.
Full stop.
Is he running? Is he running? What you will give?
Question mark.
Question mark. Very good. Question mark.
Ma'am. Question
Yes.
mark. Question mark.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am. Question mark.
Yes.
Question mark.
What is that? What is that?
Question mark.
Question mark. These are called.
Ma'am. Question mark.
Very
Full
good.
stop.
Full stop. These are called.
Question mark.
Very good.
Stop. Full stop.
He has a pen.
Full stop.
Full stop.
Stop. Stop.
Very good. Very good. She has a pen. Who is shouting? Who is shouting? No one will shout.
Ma'am.
Yes. She is our teacher. We will end the sentence with
Stop.
full stop. I come by bus.
Full stop.
We are friends.
Stop. Full stop.
Very good.
Full stop.
Now what is this? What is
Question
Very good. Who are you?
Question mark.
Very good.
Question mark. Question mark.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Keep quiet, children. So now you understood. When you will start a sentence, you will start with a capital letter. When you will end the sentence, you will end with a full stop. Ask a question. you will
Question
put a
mark,
question
ma'am.
Okay. Understood, everyone? I will send you homework in the assignment section. You will do it and send me in the last. Okay. Okay, children. Take care, all of you.